Howdy folks, welcome back to another information video from Bendigo Hydroblasting, where we show you how a bit of hydroblasting can make your old crappy parts look new again. Today I've got a bit of a treat for the Harley Davidson owners. I've got some engine components here from a 1978 Shovelhead. I'll give you a look at the bits and then we'll have a crack at cleaning them up. Here we have a couple of engine cases out of the 78 Shovel. As you can see, they're pretty cruddy. They've actually got a bit of paint here and there on them that I'll hit with some stripper and try to get rid of most of that before I put them in the blasting unit. It makes for a much better job if you've got the paint off first. Okay viewers, there's my weapon of choice when it comes to paint removal and stripping old gaskets and stuff. The old CRC gasket stripper generally works pretty good on paint, so we'll give all this a bit of a squirt, let it sit for a while, wash it off, and then we'll blast it. Well, the stripper's been on that for about 10 minutes. You can see it's, hopefully you can see in the light, the paint's bubbling away. Just, that comes off nice and easy now. So what I'll do now is I'll scrape all this shit off, take them and give them a wash under the tap, get rid of the paint stripper, and then we'll put them in the booth. As you can see there, that's got rid of probably 95% of the paint that was on it. So now we'll hit it with a shit ton of water and glass media at 80 psi, and you'll be surprised how nice that comes up. There's the case after it's had a clean. What I'll do now is I'll pull that out of the cabinet, blow it down, dry it off, and pop it alongside the other one that hasn't been done and give you a look at the side-by-side comparison. Here we go, there's a look at what we started with. This one hasn't been out and had a wash yet. Still got the stripper and stuff on it, as opposed to the finished product. Looking better than new, actually. So if you can think of a good reason why you wouldn't do this when you were restoring your old bike, let me know. I'm yet to hear it. Righto, case number 2 is in the booth now. We'll give that a blast and see how this one comes up. There we are, there's the second one fresh from a wash. There we go, not a mark left on that. I'll take it out, blow it dry and pop it next to the other one and we'll see both of them together. Well, there's the 2 Harley engine cases side by side. Lighting might not do these justice, but they probably look better than they did the day they came out of the factory. Well viewers, I hope this little video gave you a bit of an insight into what you can do with your restoration and how you can make it look better than your mates. I'm sure the customer's going to be wrapped with this one. And if you haven't already, check out my other videos on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You can always hit the like button. That's always nice. And you can check out my Facebook page, Bendigo Hydroblasting, and like that, and you'll see more photos and videos of other stuff I've done. So until next time, bye for now.